Are you aware that Snapdragon X Elite processor for Windows laptops has obsoleted both Intel and AMD? Then watch this video till the end to learn more. Built with AI, the Snapdragon X Elite is Qualcomm's most powerful processor for Windows laptops. It's designed to deliver a cutting-edge experience for demanding tasks like multitasking, content creation, immersive entertainment, and AI workloads. With its industry-leading Qualcomm AI engine and integrated Hexagon NPU, Snapdragon X Elite enables transformative experiences for creativity, video conferencing, security, and productivity assistance. The Snapdragon X Elite is also capable of running generative AI models directly on the device, bringing a new level of intelligence and performance to Windows laptops. This new generation of Windows laptops is a game-changer, packing groundbreaking performance, incredible battery life, and blazing fast connectivity. In this video we're diving deep into the top 10 laptops powered by the Snapdragon X Elite 2024. From sleek Ultrabooks to powerful workstations, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 isn't just a processor, it's a paradigm shift in mobile computing power. From demanding applications to resource-intensive multitasking, these laptops don't break a sweat. One of the key factors behind this incredible performance is the X Elite 2024's new Cryo CPU architecture. With a focus on both performance and efficiency, this architecture allows for lightning-fast processing speeds while keeping power consumption in check. The integrated Adreno GPU in the X Elite 2024 takes mobile gaming and graphics rendering to a whole new level. With PCIe 4.0 support, you're getting some of the fastest read and write speeds available, making everything from booting up to loading applications feel incredibly snappy. In real-world use, this translates to a buttery smooth computing experience. Applications launch in an instant, multitasking is a breeze, and even the most demanding games run without a hitch. Click the link in the description to get your preferred laptop today. Throughout this video, we'll be putting these laptops through their paces with a series of benchmarks and real-world performance tests. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get your preferred laptop now. Let's face it, battery life is a major pain point for many laptop users. But with the Snapdragon X Elite 2024, those days of constantly searching for a power outlet are over. We're talking about laptops that can last for an entire day on a single charge, and in some cases even longer. The energy-efficient Cryo CPU architecture plays a significant role, as does the optimized software integration between Windows and the Snapdragon platform. Qualcomm has also worked closely with Microsoft to optimize Windows 11 specifically for the Snapdragon X Elite 2024. In our testing, we were consistently blown away by the battery life of these laptops. Whether you're working on a long-haul flight, attending back-to-back meetings, or just binge-watching your favorite shows, you can do it all without worrying about your battery dying. And even when you do need to charge, the fast charging capabilities of these laptops will get you back up and running in no time. We live in a hyper-connected world, and the Snapdragon X Elite 2024 is designed to keep you connected wherever you go. With integrated 5G connectivity, these laptops offer blazing fast download and upload speeds, making it easier than ever to stay productive and entertained on the move. Imagine downloading large files in seconds, streaming 4K content without buffering, and joining video calls without a hint of lag. And because it's integrated directly into the platform, you don't need a separate dongle or hotspot to connect. 5G also offers significantly lower latency than previous generations of cellular technology. We put the 5G capabilities of these laptops to the test in various locations, and were consistently impressed with the speed and reliability. With integrated 5G, you can work, play, and connect from anywhere with unprecedented speed and reliability. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 isn't just about raw power. It's about intelligent features that enhance your computing experience. Qualcomm has packed these laptops with cutting-edge technologies that make them more intuitive, secure, and enjoyable to use. One of the standout features is the enhanced AI capabilities of the X Elite 2024. The integrated AI engine powers a range of intelligent features from advanced noise suppression during video calls to context-aware computing that adapts to your usage patterns. Security is also a top priority with the Snapdragon X Elite 2024. These laptops feature a multi-layered security architecture that protects your data and privacy at every level. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 is more than just a processor, it's a platform for innovation. In the world of mobile computing, portability is paramount, and the laptops powered by the Snapdragon X Elite 2024 don't disappoint. These devices are designed for life on the go, with sleek, lightweight designs that are as stylish as they are functional. From ultra-thin and light Ultrabooks to convertibles that transform from laptops to tablets, there's a Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptop to fit every need and style. The slim profiles of these laptops make them incredibly easy to carry around, whether you're slipping them into a backpack, briefcase, or messenger bag. And because they're so light, you can carry them around all day without feeling weighed down. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops are designed to move with you. Click the link in the description to find your perfect laptop. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our next awesome video. We've talked a lot about the impressive specs and features of the Snapdragon X Elite 2024, but how do these laptops actually perform in the real world? To find out, we put them through a rigorous suite of benchmarks and real-world tests. We started with synthetic benchmarks like Geekbench and 3DMark to get a baseline understanding of the raw processing power and graphics capabilities of these laptops. And the results were impressive, to say the least. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 consistently outperformed the competition in both CPU and GPU benchmarks. For web browsing, we loaded up multiple tabs with demanding websites and scrolled through them to see how smoothly the laptops handled the load. Even with dozens of tabs open, these laptops didn't skip a beat. Next, we moved on to content creation, using these laptops to edit photos and videos. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 handled even demanding editing tasks with ease. We've shared our thoughts on the Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops, but what do actual users have to say? To find out, we reached out to a diverse group of users from different backgrounds and professions to get their feedback on these devices. And the response has been overwhelmingly positive. Users rave about the exceptional battery life, the blazing fast connectivity, and the overall snappiness of these laptops. Creative professionals appreciate the power and performance of these laptops, which allow them to edit photos and videos on the go without compromise. Students love the portability and affordability, making them ideal for taking notes, writing papers, and researching assignments. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops aren't just about impressive specs and features, they're about delivering a truly exceptional user experience. One of the common concerns with new computing platforms is software compatibility. But with the Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops, you can rest assured that you're covered. These laptops run Windows 11, which means you have access to the vast library of Windows applications and games. Qualcomm has also worked closely with Microsoft to ensure that Windows 11 is optimized for the Snapdragon platform. Many popular applications, including Microsoft Edge, Spotify, and Netflix, are already available as ARM-native versions, which means they run even better on Snapdragon-powered devices. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops seamlessly integrate into the Windows ecosystem, giving you access to the vast library of Windows applications and games, as well as the growing ecosystem of ARM-based software. When considering a new laptop, cost is always a major factor, and the Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops offer a compelling value proposition, especially when you consider the performance, battery life, and connectivity they provide. These laptops are available at a range of price points, making them accessible to a wide range of budgets. And when you compare the features and performance of these laptops to the competition, you'll find that they offer exceptional value for your money. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops offer a compelling blend of performance, features, and affordability. In the fast-paced world of technology, it's important to invest in devices that will stand the test of time. And the Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops are designed for longevity, with features and capabilities that will keep them relevant for years to come. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 is built on a highly scalable architecture, which means that Qualcomm can continue to improve its performance and efficiency in future generations. Microsoft is committed to providing long-term support for Windows on ARM devices, which means you can expect to receive regular software updates and security patches for years to come. The Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops are more than just powerful and efficient, they're future-proof devices that will continue to meet your computing needs for years to come. So there you have it, our comprehensive look at the top 10 Windows laptops powered by the Snapdragon X Elite 2024. From groundbreaking performance and incredible battery life, to blazing fast connectivity and innovative features, these laptops are truly pushing the boundaries of mobile computing. If you're looking for a laptop that can keep up with your demanding lifestyle, we highly recommend checking out the Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptops. Click the link in the description to get your hands on your preferred Snapdragon X Elite 2024 laptop today. What are your thoughts on the Snapdragon X Elite 2024? Which laptop from our list is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so YouTube can notify you of our next awesome video as soon as it's out.